In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a formula on Google Sheets. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple yet powerful process of setting up a formula to make your work more efficient. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Google Sheets and navigate to your spreadsheet. If you haven't done so already, make sure you have access to the sheet you're going to work on, or simply create a new one if you're starting fresh. The great thing about Google Sheets is that it's incredibly intuitive, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to do complex tasks in a snap. Now that you have your Google Sheet open in front of you, let's create a formula. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to be using the sum function, one of the most common and useful functions in spreadsheet applications. This function allows you to quickly add up a list of numbers without manually doing each calculation, and it generally makes your data organization a whole lot easier. To begin, click on an empty cell where you want the results of your formula to appear. This is an important step because it's where Google Sheets will display the total once we input our formula. Make sure you've selected the correct cell before moving on to the next step. Next, type the formula directly into the selected cell. The formula will start with an equal sign, as that's how Google Sheets recognizes that you're entering a formula rather than just plain text. So go ahead and type in sum. This particular function will add up a range of numbers for you. Once you've entered the function name, you'll need to specify the range of cells you want to sum. In our example, type in C414. This range means you want to add up all the values from cell C4 to cell C14. Adjust the range based on your specific data. Remember, the colon in the formula denotes the range you're including, starting from C4 and ending at C14. After you've typed in the formula, simply press enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will automatically calculate and display the sum of the numbers in your specified range in the cell you initially selected. And that's it! You've successfully created a formula in Google Sheets. It's a small step, but a significant one in using spreadsheets effectively. If this is your first time using a formula, take a moment to enjoy this newfound capability. As you gain confidence, consider exploring other functions. Google Sheets offers a wide array of formulas, each designed to handle different types of data and calculations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in your daily tasks. Don't hesitate to practice more